An EKG, or electrocardiogram, is a way of measuring the electrical activity of a heart without having to go inside the body. And the way it operates is that as your heart, as it beats, there's a polarization. It's a change in voltage across the muscle. And it also occurs across, in this case, our arms. And so we're actually measuring that slight change in electrical potential, and that's what you're seeing here. Now, I've connected my EKG already to my iPad, and I have these conductive tabs already on my arm. And watch what happens when I hit collect. So we end up with a trace for my heartbeat here. And the lab would like for you to look at the different parts of the waveform of the heartbeat in more detail. So let me show you how you can do that. Let me get unplugged here first. If I go to the data set here, I might want to pick out one of the beats. And so I like this last one. So I'm going to tap and drag across that section. And if I come down to the lower left to the little magnifying glass, I can zoom in on that portion of the heartbeat. And then the experiment asks you to do something like this, where there are different parts of the waveform. This is called the QRS complex, and it represents the depolarization of the ventricles. And it asks you, how long did that take? So what is this interval? And so to measure that interval, it's really easy to do. If you come down here, and at this point, if I actually just tap and drag, then I can get the initial time and the final time. And so I end up with 4.09 seconds and 4.15. So 0.06 seconds is the time for that. And so that's what the experiment's having you look for. So it's a really interesting tool to be able to study human physiology.